Hello students. So today the question that we have with us is that we need to talk about the difference between exhalation and inhalation. So in terms of exhalation and inhalation, what you can remember first of all is both are the part of process of breathing. Okay, so this is the first thing or a common thing that you can remember. Now, if I talk about their difference, and this is something like they usually have one difference, which is like exactly what they are doing. And this is something you can remember. Okay, so process of inhalation is the process of breathing in air, while exhalation is the process of breathing out air. That means exchange of gases is taking place. In terms of inhalation, the term mean in is inside. So the air is coming inside, breathing in air, and x means outside. Okay, so that is a process of breathing out air. Particularly if you talk about the inhalation, and if you go in detailed as well, so if you can say that inhalation is an active process which involves the contraction of the diaphragm, whereas exhalation is a passive process, involves the relaxation of the diaphragm, I'm sorry. The reason is why it is a passive process, because it is the reaction to this active process of inhalation. So if the contraction is there, so obviously the relaxation will also be there. So that is why if the inhalation is there, the exhalation will obviously takes place. In inhalation, you can also say it creates a vacuum that pulls air into the lungs, and that is because of the movement of a lot of body parts, including diaphragm. And exhalation is like pushing air out of the lungs. It's just like as soon as through the process of exhalation, the lungs will relax, and it just not. I'm sorry, not lungs will relax. It is the diaphragm that relax, which allows the lungs to get contract and throws the air out of it. During the process of inhalation, actually the lungs get relaxed, so that the more air can comes inside, and actually the exchange of gases will takes place. Then in terms of inhalation, which brings oxygen into the body, as already we know, and exhalation will release carbon dioxide outside the body. Okay. Particularly what you can remember, another important fact about the inhalation and exhalation is the amount or the percentage of gases. So in inhaled air, you have 20% of oxygen and 0.03% of carbon dioxide. Whereas in exhaled air, you have almost 16.4% of oxygen, whereas the carbon dioxide is 4.1%. So if you remember this data, that will actually help you to actually separate the what you can say exhalation and inhalation. I hope this will help you. Thank you.